Okay, in this video we're going to have a look at managing the media, which is your images and videos. So we'll just click on Manage Media. I've actually added a plugin to your website which allows you to organize the images into folders so that you can easily find them. When you upload images for the first time, they'll be in this uncategorized section. So you can see here that I've got some that I've recently uploaded. So these first two here are from your Facebook for Peggy's litter. And if we have a little look down here, I'm just looking to see if, so we've got litter pics there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on that and see that I've already set alternative text to caption and description for it. That's okay. So I'm just going to click and hold, and I'm going to drag it, and I'm just going to drop it into litter pics. I'm going to do the same for this one as well. Okay, and then this one here, I'm going to put that in the same folder because we're just using that image when there is a puppy, but we don't actually have an individual photo of it. So I'm just going to drag that in to there as well. So it's just easy to find them. If you wanted to search for an image, so if we have a look in Ralph's folder there, you can see some pictures of Ralph. Just click on that one. You can see that I've got a description in there. You can actually search using these descriptions, which is why it's a good idea when you do upload images to make sure that you include some information there. So say if I just clicked on all files there, and I was looking for an image and it was Ralph, but maybe I hadn't filed it in Ralph's folder for whatever reason. If you've put a description on it, you can, that has Ralph in it, you can just type in that and you can see that it'll list them up that way as well. Similarly, if we want to see puppy pictures, we can try puppy, okay, or puppies, okay, so we can do that as well, or litter. So there you go. So you can search for things as well. It just makes things a little bit easier to manage. You can create a new folder just by clicking new folder, and you just give it a name just as you would anything else. It's just an easier way of managing your files and your videos. So uncategorized, we've still got the search on there, just close that. So there's just these two odd ones come up, which I'll probably delete before I hand the website over because they were just used for test purposes. And that's managing your media. When you're done, just click on the dashboard icon to go back to the dashboard so that you can go on and do something else.